Good morning, students. Today I am going to solve some problems of this chapter, rational numbers, exercise 1C. Here the exercise 1C. Add the following rational numbers. This type of question you can easily solve. Minus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 2 plus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 2 by 5. 4 minus 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Similarly, add the following rational numbers, verify the following rational numbers, verify the following, fill in the blanks. Now applying rules of or properties of rational number, you already learned about some rules of this chapter. Those are closure, associative, commutative, etc. So fill in the blanks here. Question number 5. Minus 3 by 17 plus minus 12 by 5 is equal to minus 12 by 5 plus here this type of question. Applying order property or commutative property, here minus 12 by 5 is only here order is changed. So write next here first term is minus 3 by 17 minus 3 by 17. By a similar way you can solve other problems. Find the additive inverse. You already know about additive inverse. Question number 6. Negative of any given number is additive inverse of that number. So additive inverse of here given 1 by 3. Additive inverse of additive inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by 3 because 1 by 3 plus minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So additive inverse of 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 3. Subtract. Now read some word problems. Question number 9. Here sum of two rational numbers is minus 2. Sum is given minus 2. One of them is given. If one of them is minus 14 by 5. One of them is equal to minus 14 by 5. Therefore, other rational number is equal to minus 2 minus 14 by 5 is equal to minus 2 plus 14 by 5 is equal to minus 10 plus 14 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. This is required rational number. So this type of question you can easily solve. Now come to the exercise. Next exercise 1D. Before solving the question, know more one thing. So we call this property of multiplication of rational number. That's nice. Just like additive property, rational number is closed under multiplication. Rational number always rules commutative property, associativity. There exists multiplicative inverse, multiplicative identity, and also distributive law holds here. Distributive law also holds, that is A by B into C by D plus E by F is equal to A by B into C by D plus A by B into E by F. This rule is called distributive law of multiplication over addition. So always remind this rule. Some questions are based upon distributive law of multiplication over addition. Now start exercise 1D. Find each of the following product. You can easily find product. Question number 1. Exercise 1D. First, heading is given. Find the following products. 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 8. Always remember rules of sign. Plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus and minus into plus is equal to minus. Always follow this rule. Is equal to 3 7 21 by 40. Here this is negative, so minus 21. Put here minus 21. By the similar way, you can find the product of given rational numbers. Now here given verification of some rules. Verify each of the following. Question number 2. First question, 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 9 is equal to minus 5 by 9 into 3 by 5. You know already commutative law exists in the collection of rational numbers. So this question is based upon the commutative law. Similarly, other questions are given. Associative law. Question number 3 is based upon associative law. Filling the blanks, find the multiplicative inverse. Now one more things remember always. You already know that multiplicative inverse of a number is that type of number if you product or multiply both, then you obtain multiplicative identity. That is one. One is multiplicative identity of rational numbers. So here question number 5. Find the multiplicative inverse of or reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse or this is also called reciprocal. Question number first 13 by 25. Clearly reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of reciprocal is equal to 25 by 23. Because 23 by 25 into 23 by 25 by 23 is equal to 1. This is multiplicative identity. So 25 by 23 is multiplicative inverse of 23 by 25 or reciprocal of 23 by 25, and this is multiplicative inverse of 25 by 23. This is mutual relation. Reciprocal is mutual relation between two rational numbers. So you can solve. Other problems are also given in question number 9. This is based upon the theory of rational numbers, basic concept of rational numbers. Read this carefully. You can obtain answer of this question. The product of rational number and its reciprocal is 1. Just you have learned about reciprocal of a given rational number, and then their product is 1. Product of rational number, given rational number, and their reciprocal is always unity, multiplicative unity or multiplicative identity. That is 1. 0 has no reciprocal. 0 has no reciprocal because 1 by 0 is not defined. So remember this carefully. 0. Now we should solve problems of exercise 1 is 1. You already know about properties of division. Division is closure. That is, closure property is satisfied in the collection of rational numbers. Here some questions are given, very simple. Simplify 4 by 9, divide minus 5 by 12 is equal to 4 by 9 into minus 12 by 5. And you know that either numerator or denominator, any of these two is negative, whole rational number is negative. There is no matter that denominator is negative or numerator is negative. You can write this in this way is equal to 3 3 are 9, 4 minus 4 3 are 12. 4 4 are minus 16 by 15. This is required number. Now solve some word problems. Question number 4. The product of two rational numbers is minus 9. Here product of two rational numbers. Product of rational numbers is given minus 9. If one of the number is minus 12, one of them is equal to minus 12. Therefore, other is equal to minus 9 by minus 12 is equal to minus 1 into 9 by minus 1 into 12. This is common product, common factor. Now simplify this. 3 into 3, 3 into 4. This is also common factor, so we will eliminate this, and answer is 3 by 4. Now next question. Multiply this, we get it now. Question number 6. Read question number 9. Divide the sum of this and this. Sum of 13 by 5. Sum of 13 by 5 and minus 12 by 7. Minus 12 by 7 is equal to what? LCM is 35. 13 into 7 plus minus 12 into 5 or 5 into minus 12 is equal to 91 minus 60 by 35. Once 9 difference 6 is 31 by 35. And product of minus 31 by 7 and 1 by minus 2 is equal to minus 31 by 7 into minus 1 by 2. 1 by minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This is negative and minus 1 is numerator of this rational number is also negative. So product is positive 31 by 7 to the 14. Now condition is given. Question number 9. Divide the sum of this and this by the product. Now we have to divide this sum by the product. That is 31 by Now 31 by 35 divide 31 by 40. 9 divide this number by 34 is equal to 31 by 35 into 14 by 31. Eliminate this. 2 7s are 14, 5 7s are 35. This is 2 by 5. This is answer. By the similar way, and always remind rules of addition, multiplication, division, subtraction of rational numbers, and some common rules of division and addition. You can solve other type of problems also. Some more problems are given in your exercise, and I hope that you can solve all type of problems. Thank you.